camping proper.
Just put it in the plastic.
Yeah.
It's only 20 minutes.
Thanks for spoiling it, you old cunt.
It's so clever.
So yeah.
Görüyor musun ayağını?
Has he only got 3 legs?
Yeah, he's lost the front one. He's lost the front one. Where is the foot? 3 foot. 3 foot, yeah.
Yeah, he wants to play you.
Brilliant. Oh, fabulous.
Come on, let go of it. That's it.
Kitty. Hopping around, poor little thing.
It's only a young one, isn't it?
Yeah. We had some scrap.
See, at least they don't get rid of him.
Yeah,
We had
they're quite
some
right.
scrap.
And he seems to be looking well enough.
Hey,
Coat looks lovely.
Yeah, you don't want to lose another leg though.
No, I'm saying his coat looks lovely in that.
did you get a video?
Eh?
Did you get a little video of him?
No,
I tried it, but you
No,
don't
it's
show
too
me his
sad.
leg.
don't like it. I've got a picture of him.
Just enjoying it now. Well, there you go. That got his attention.
No, you don't want to eat that thing.
More easier. It's more easier back stepping upwards.
Oh, what a cutie.
That's made his day, I bet. That's on the group.
Eh?
That's on the group because it's my mum.
You should have seen the jellyfish.